Hi, welcome back to Simple Food Stories. Today, we're making Pineapple Cobbler. Phase 1. Ingredients: pineapple chunks, all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, butter, baking powder, salt, lemon zest. Phase 2. Let's place the pineapple chunks in a mixing bowl. We're going to add 75 grams of sugar and some lemon zest. And then we're going to mix it really well and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And we're going to keep stirring a few times in between. There we are. Next, we're going to sift the flour baking powder and salt into a separate mixing bowl. And we're going to add the remaining 75 grams of sugar, and then we're going to stir it. Pour in that milk and whisk until the batter becomes smooth. We're going to be careful not to overmix this. Next, we're going to melt the butter and pour it into the bottom of a 9-inch baking dish. And we're going to spread the batter over the melted butter without stirring. Let's spoon the pineapple mixture with all the juices it has left, and we're going to put it over the batter evenly, and we're going to make sure not to stir or swirl the batter and fruit together. So we're going to keep it all as is. Let's place the baking dish over the baking tray and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until you see those sides and the top of the cobbler becoming golden brown. Look at that crispness, golden brown color. Check for the doneness by inserting a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out all clean just like that, your pineapple cobbler is ready. We're going to let it cool completely. And serve it with whipped cream or ice cream. Either one that you like more. Enjoy! And until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.